This dance is called Not at This Party. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, easy intermediate level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, going to stomp the right to the side. Into a little weave, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, cross that left over. Step the right to the side, then add on a modified sailor quarter turn. So you cross that left behind the right, make that quarter turn left, right to the side, and then step forward on the left. Step forward on the right, make half a turn right as you step back on that left. That set of steps once more then. Stomp into that weave off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, behind, side, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn. Make a further quarter of a turn right as you step the right to the side. Hold. On the and count you bring the left beside the right, step the right to the side. Add on a jazz box with a cross, left foot leading, cross the left over, back on the right, left to the side, cross that right over, and then step the left to the side again. That set of steps once more then. Quarter turn off on that right. 7, 8, turn, hold and side, cross, back, side, cross, side. Let's add those two sections together. Stomp off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, behind, side, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, hold and side, cross, back, side, cross, side. Now across those two sections you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in the middle. So you do that half a turn at the end of section 1 and you're doing that further quarter of a turn at the start of section 2. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, start the same as everybody else. You stomp, you behind, side, cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, step. And then instead of turning the half, step forward on the left, and then instead of that quarter turn, you're 2 1/4 turn to the left instead of to the right. And then you can add on the same as everybody else, hold and side, cross, back, side, cross, side. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that 3/4 of a turn out that straddles that section. Shuffle back on the right, half shuffle turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, and then add on a kick, ball, step, right foot leading, kick, ball, step. That set of steps once more, then back shuffle off on that right. 7, 8, back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step. So again, we have got now the equivalent of a full turn in this section. Your step, pivot, half, and that half shuffle turn combination. Should you need to try and take that out, do your back shuffle the same as everybody else. Instead of that half shuffle, just shuffle back again, and then instead of your step, pivot, half, rock back, recover on that right, and then add on your kick, ball, step. So non-turning steps, should you need to take out that equivalent full turn in that section. Let's add that to the top. Stomp off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, behind, side, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, hold and side, cross, back, side, cross, side, back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step. So you're going to add on some heel grinds. So you're going to grind your right heel over the left. As you recover, the left is going to go to the side, and then you're going to step the right beside the left on the and count. and repeat with the left foot. Heel, grind, and step in that left beside the right. You're then going to cross the right over the left, make quarter of a turn right as you step back on that left into a modified B step. So you're just going side to side with these steps. You're stepping out, out, in, close. So you're not stepping forward, it's literally out to the side, and then back into the middle, right in that very end bit. So let's do those heel grinds once more, off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, grind, and heel, grind, and cross, turn, out, out, in, close. Now that last bit is going to feel quite fast in this music. Let's add that to the top. Stomp into the side on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, behind side, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, hold and side, cross, back, side, cross, side. Back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step. Heel, grind and cross, turn, out, out, in. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Stomping to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Stomp into the side on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, behind side, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, hold and side, cross, back, side, cross, side. Back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step. Heel, grind and cross, turn, out, out, in. Stomp, behind side, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, hold and side, cross, back, side, cross, side. Back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step. Heel, grind and cross, turn, out, out, in. Stomp, behind side, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, and side, cross, back, side, cross, side. Back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step. Heel, grind and cross, turn, out, out, in. So that's your dance. Now you have got one tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 4, so you will be facing the front wall when you come to do it. The tag is 16 counts in its own right. So we're starting with some heel switches. So you're going to touch your right heel forward, step the right beside the left heel forward, left beside the right. Touch the right heel forward again, hook the right over the left, touch the right heel forward, step the right beside the left. And you're going to repeat all of that with the left foot leading. So you touch the left heel forward, left beside right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, hook the left over the right, left heel forward, left beside right. That's half your tag. Do that once more off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and heel, hook, heel, and heel, and heel, and heel, hook, heel, and. You're then going to add on a rocking chair, right foot leading, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, and then a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross that right over the left, back on the left, right to the side, cross that left over the right. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair and jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross. Let's put that tag together in its entirety. Heel switches to start off on the right. 7, 8, heel and heel and heel, hook, heel and heel and heel and heel, hook, heel and rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross. So like I said, that comes at the end of wall 4. Wall 4 is our 3 o'clock wall. So let's have a go at wall 4 and add on the tag. Now the music is quite pacey, so that tag is going to feel fairly fast. Stomp off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, behind side cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, and side, cross, back, side, cross, side, back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, full step, heel grind and cross, turn out and in tag, heel and heel and heel, hook, heel and heel and heel, heel, hook, heel and rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross. Stomp, behind side, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, starts the dance again. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. End of wall 4. So when you're back facing the front. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, and your tag information. Let's give it a go to no music.
5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, behind side cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, and side, cross, side, back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick or step, heel, grind, cross, turn, out, in, cross, stomp, behind side cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, turn, and side, cross, cross, side, back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick or step, heel, grind, cross, turn, out, in, cross, stomp, behind side cross, side, sailor, turn, step, turn, and side, cross, side, back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick or step, heel, grind, and cross, turn, out, in, cross, stomp with your tag wall, turn, and side, cross, cross, side, back shuffle, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick or step, heel, grind, cross, turn, V, tag, heel, hook, heel, and rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross, stomp, turn, back shuffle, heel grind, stomp, turn, back shuffle, heel grind, stomp, turn, back shuffle, heel grind, stomp, turn, back shuffle, feel right.
I'm back here in the bathroom light. I'm checking my phone just one more time, in case you hit me with an on goodbye. I know you won't, but I'll fix myself up in the mirror and walk out with this beer. Even though they see me here, I'm not at this party. I'm back in your backseat. You're bowling it over. You just had to have me. I can't hear this music, 'cause I'm hearing you yell. You're so in love with me, but right now you need to work on yourself. And they think I'm moved on with my life, that I'm having a good night out here on the dance floor, just like everybody. But nobody here knows just how bad you got me. I'm not at this party. I'm not at this party.
Hope you managed that one.